myself. Holy motherfucking cow. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. We got the doctor covered. We got the doctor. Is it over yet? Is the door over? Oh my god. I heard it again. Here goes the thunder lady. Oh, and I heard a boing. Somebody's boinging out there. Lights. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The power cannot go out. Oh, please don't go out, lights. Please. Oh. There's a ghost now. I feel in this present. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just saw a flashlight. Oh my god. A ghost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anybody around here to help Sara Brown here? Because she's on the show, you know, and she's got to get everything under control before she records. This is just, oh my god. Where's the lights coming back on? Come on, power, please. Dear Heavenly Father, please put the lights back on. And like magic, it came on. Oh no, now I'm back in hell. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Oh.